Good morning, 6th graders. Thursday, today, kind of like Friday for you. Reminder, you don't have any schoolwork that should be sent out to you tomorrow or Monday. Teachers have some work time to help us get ready for distance learning the rest of the school year. Today, what I would like you to do, and we're going to continue working on how light interacts with a cup system. So mainly we've been looking at the temperatures inside the cups since we are learning about thermal energy. In today's lesson, Mr. Rocco is going to go through how to analyze the data that you collected yesterday in those 3 videos about the 3 different tests that were done. Please take the time to watch the videos. He will walk you through every step of today's assignment. So because he's doing that, it is a longer lesson. I think the video is 13 minutes long today. I'd recommend that you split screen your iPad to have the video on one side and Notability with the assignment on the other side. And then you can pause the video and fill out the section he has just explained. Then restart the video and continue your way through it like that. If you have questions along the way, please do not hesitate to send me a Schoology message, or if you would like to have a Google Meet set up, we should be able to do that this afternoon. I don't have any meetings or anything if you would like extra help getting through this. But Mr. Rocco really does a great job walking you through this step by step. And so I am fully confident that you should be able to do this using the video that he has made. Okay, have a great day and a great weekend. Please, again, let me know if you've got any questions, and we'll talk to you later.